So do you want to know my favorite tones from Flex? Check it out. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution carrier. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment. I subscribed. Okay, so today's video I will show you my favorite tones from Flex, and let's get started. Okay, so guys, let's listen to this beat and I will show you my favorite tones or presets from Flex that I normally use for my Afrobeat. Very simple. This beat was made using only Flex tones. Listen, then I'll show you my favorite preset or sounds from Flex. Okay, so let's load the Flex once again. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, leave your comment. I subscribe, then turn on your notification bell, share the video as well if it helps you. Let's load Flex again by clicking on this plus icon here and loading the Flex. So one thing I like about Flex is that it is easy to control. You have the master filter, the delay, the reverb, the limiter, so you can control the amount of reverb that you want to give to your tone or sound, and also you can play with the delay. Okay, some envelopes, filters, as well as reverb, amount, the delay. Okay, when you install FL Studio for the first time, Flex, there will be nothing in your favorites. Okay, there will be nothing here. So what you can do is that you can go here, then you select the tones. So if I like this tone, I will just click on this star icon here. Okay, and it will be added to my favorite. Okay, very simple. So every tone that you pick and you like, you just click on this star. Okay, so let me walk you through my favorite tones from Flex. Okay, so first one is this xylophone here. Let's listen. I like the tone. Then this one, nice one. Then wood block, I like it. Then this one, so you can make nice Afrobeat using Flex. Okay, so guys, for the sake of time, I can't walk you through all the tones, okay, all my favorite tones, but these are my favorite tones that I really love. You always hear it in my beat. Okay, so with Flex you can play with the reverb. Let me select something. Okay, the reverb, decay time, the size. Okay, you see that thing? Okay, you can play with it. I like Flex. You can give it a color. Okay, you just okay, they can also play with the delay, the time, the feedback. Okay, then a whole lot. Okay, secret that I want to show you if you want to make Afrobeat using Flex without going through all this then stuffs. Okay, there are some preset to here that can help in Afrobeat, and I really like this mobile synth block. Okay, it has nice tones from top to down. They are all nice, so let me take you through some of them. You see that? I like it. Okay, then this 808 can help in bass. Okay, so if you don't want to go to all, then what, take your favorite. We have this one which has been grouped for what, very nice Afro beats. Okay, you can use this to make your Afro beat simple. Okay, so guys, these are what my favorite tones from Flex. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, like the video, then leave a comment I subscribed, so that we will welcome you to the team. It's Godstar and the Beast, still a bit the solution career. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.